Hi, my name is Romain. I'm the Rigging Supervisor here at Eisko Polywink. Well, the rig is like an important part in 3D pipelines that is pretty unknown. When you have a 3D model, it's static, you can't move anything, and you need someone to add bones and physics on it. That's the job of the rigger. Rigging is kind of a hard specialization in 3D because you need to know about every field in 3D. You need to know about modelization with free topology and anatomy of character. You need to know about animation because you will rig your character depending of the need in animation. So you need to know what will happen in that field. And that's why I would say to become a rigger, you need to follow classes about like 3D, like in general before telling yourself, okay, I want to be a rigger. That's a good one. I really like puzzles, and every rig I get is a puzzle, so that's the thing I prefer in my job. Solve mystery. There is this one prod we worked on, like we received a bunch of characters from the same client, and we were like, oh, wow. We're getting a lot of them, and at the end it just sent us the TV series it was on, and it told us, you did all the models are from you, and we were really proud about that, and it was a really cool interaction with the client, and all the models were really cool, so I think it's my favorite production so far. Well, that's a tough question. Rigging can be automated for sure. You can script things and ease your work. In a way, it's part of the job. Like, you need these skills. You need to be able to script, to rig. So I'm not worried about rigging. The main work, if I can say that, will change, but we just adapt and it should be cool. And about digital humans, I think it's great that it's happening to like a lot of people that aren't in 3D. You have many people around the world getting interested in 3D and character in particular. We have a bright future ahead of us. As I told you previously, you need to know every field in 3D. I would definitely recommend to take classes. Online classes in 3D school, you will have 1-2 years with general artists, so you will know every part of the job, and then you can specialize in rigging and you will be more artists, like really. There's a lot of challenges working at Eisko Polywink in rigging. I like challenges, so that's really cool. But the way we're working at Polywink in particular is really giving us a lot of challenge because we receive the models from the clients. Every model is different, and our policy is that we can treat all types of models. So I see a lot of models every day, and I have to adapt myself to them and work the blend shapes, the rig on them. And it's really cool, but it's also sometimes really challenging, and we tend to accept a lot of custom orders because it's another way to challenge us, and we discover a lot of new softwares and way to rig, to work 3D, and that's pretty amazing. I love it. Unreal. Maya. Star Wars, of course. Thank you for following this interview. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate in the commentaries. I'll be glad to answer them. See you soon.